Hey guys, Fishy here, and again, the patterns just keep repeating because fakers like to use what works. Here's Dorothy Nell sharing this, singer David Crosby saying, "I don't need Trump supporters on my show, they are a bunch of," and then you have to click to find out what it is. So, I know it's columbuspost.site, and I have seen that template before. We'll go ahead and click it. It's this template. If you're a regular viewer of Unfakery videos, you recognize that by now. And I don't know that I don't know that we really need to know what Crosby is supposed to have said here, but we can see the same template here at Tampa Post, Phoenix Post, and Charlotte Post. This is a theme that fakers have been using on that template, so I'm already suspicious of it. When I check out Dorothy, at first, Dorothy doesn't look like there's too much information here. Lives in Washington, D.C., a couple of pictures, that's it. When I go to friends, all I see are what it says following. These are the following or the followers, and that's an interesting number of names. I don't see friends, just a bunch of names that look like they come from India, Pakistan. But, of course, when I get to the photos commented on by Dorothy, this is what we see. This is a little bit different from what we expected. And when we get to, is it this guy? Get to this guy, there's a lot of comments here, but we are going to go ahead and bring those comments out, and we are going to search on Dorothy, and we're going to find a tag. Yes, we are. We are going to find out who it is that Dorothy really belongs to in terms of a profile. So we'll hit the search button and we'll put Dorothy's name in, and we'll go looking for that comment. There it is. And then there's some tags right underneath there through a few other comments. And we get all the way down to, I think, this one? Sanjay. And it's Dorothy Nell. Exactly. So it pays to take a little time and check out these, especially if you're a moderator of a group that has to do with conservative issues. You're going to find profiles like this trying to get into your groups using this kind of camouflage, using the profile of Dorothy Nell as a camouflage to send you to clicking on a bunch of posts that look like this that are mostly fake. And they're sharing that fakery and pushing it at Americans because it's profitable or because they're sowing division in Americans, between Americans. Whichever the case is, we should try to shut these guys down. So help by sharing this video, sending people to Unfakery, liking the page, share the videos, comment on the videos, make sure you're passing them around, and let's get more people helping to shut down networks like this that are using fakes like Dorothy.